Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, launched its platform in France almost a year after securing a digital asset service provider registration. The launch allows local users to deposit, trade and store at least 70 digital assets on web or mobile devices, the company said. Walmart raised its annual sales and profit forecast for the third consecutive time, as people bought more groceries and merchandise, a sign the world's largest retailer continues to gain market share ahead of the holidays. Gold prices climbed for a second consecutive session, hitting a one-week high, as mounting Russian and Ukraine tensions sparked a rush for safe haven assets, while investors awaited key signals on the Federal Reserve's interest rate plans. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. Stay informed with the economic calendar for the next few days, which includes a blend of high, medium and low impact events. Each data release will contribute uniquely to the market outlook, helping shape investment strategies and market reactions. The impact of these releases could be far-reaching, affecting a wide range of financial instruments. Staying aware of the upcoming data can be key to timely and strategic decision-making.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.